Introducing myself to my English virtual tutor. Good afternoon, teacher. Nice to meet you. How are you? My name is Tatiana Palacios Payares. I am years old. I was born on the 20th of December in the year 2000. I am from the municipality of Boisaco in the department of Nariño. My phone number is 350-651-3031. I am a Shield Pedagogy student. I am in the second semester. I work in the distribution of liquefied petroleum gas delivered to homes in the Montagas company. I do this with my husband every day. On Saturdays, and I'm always with my family. I really like spending time with them. Thank you. Goodbye.